Oh, who's the nigga in the hood of school? Mr. Hamilton. Who's the man with the hair on his chest? Chasing Mr. Hamilton. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Hey, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, YouTube. What is going on, YouTube? Coast to coast, state to state, seeing what lanes to take, which loads paying the most. YouTube, what's going on, man? Chasing Mr. Hamilton is the name. Trucking is the game. Wall of the gas swole is the goal. The harder for lagging. Mentality of a hyena. We steady rolling. Why? Because we don't get tired. We get money. Oh, mama. There goes that man, YouTube. There goes that man. Oh man, YouTube. So we made it. So we are about to be at the delivery of the chicken nugget load coming to Arizona. 450 feet away, we turn it in. There we go, we turn it in. Y'all know what I always say, right? You got to get the green to get in between. And damn it, sometimes you got to get that chicken nugget before you add on to the egg, steaks, and lobster, YouTube. And that's what we're trying to do. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, damn it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, damn it. We trying to get on to the money. We're trying to get to the steak and lobster.
Turn left, then your destination will be on
yeah, there we go. Good year, baby. Hey, I got you, baby. Say less. You ain't gotta keep saying, say no more. Say no more. I got you, baby. We are here. We're here at the money. We're here at the money. I just want to say, we got the chicken nugget load. So now, which means it's gonna be hell of a bad day, YouTube. If we are not able to get to the egg, steak, and lobster load. Because we got the chemo removed, because we cured the cancer, we're gonna see can we make it to California. Oh, yeah. Because you know, that's where all the lobster and the steak loads are at. So anyways, we're gonna go on ahead, try to check in. Let's get this load unloaded or drop it off, whatever we gotta do, and we go on to the next. YouTube, I'll be right back, damn it. Huh?
You know the stuff deliveries here.
What did y'all say? I was about to say, man, stop playing with me. Stop playing. I'm like, hold on now. Where do y'all do take delivery here?
Where'd you dress that, bro?
In there, right? This how much space we got. Yeah, you know, I know a lot of y'all about to be told it's a lot of space, bro. It's not enough. It is not enough. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. But it's okay, because when it comes to getting to the money, you gotta overcome obstacles. Oh yeah. And we done overcoming obstacle left to right, man. I eat obstacles for breakfast. Damn it, boy. And you know I'm big in you know I'm thick. So I got a whole lot of obstacles in me every damn day, boy. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut it. Hopefully y'all can kind of see it from this angle. Anytime you can see the trailer to where the water is small. But ooh, it almost look like deadheading it in. It might be easier. We're gonna figure it out, YouTube. You know what? We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure this out. I'll be back. All right. So the first location we had to get relocated, right? We had to get relocated. That just ain't where we were supposed to be. Ain't really a whole lot of explaining it, so we came to the other facility, but it's okay. It was just right down the road. Oh yeah, right down the road. Look at that man with that old raggedy, probably paid off truck. Unless he got it this year, then that's probably an $80,000 truck. And he's getting money. So let me hurry up and get a mine and we can talk, YouTube. Man, something about this chicken nuggets load, they are always complicated. You never find a smooth chicken nugget load, no. So I was just told I got to go back over there anyways, huh?
Yeah. I talked to them. They're gonna unload you.
So, okay. So I appreciate you. Do I need to take their paperwork or just that's all part of this?
Here, let me make a copy to send to them.
Okay.
Probably not.
Yeah, and I appreciate it because I don't know if they're gonna have to sign 1, 2, or no. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So.
Trailer just gets moved to this trailer and then it goes down there down the road. So they were like,
it ain't easy, man.
Just send the truck down the road.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah.
So that was the other option. Move everything in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can
It'd
go.
probably take 2 days. I'd have to fill this up a couple times too.
Hold on, wait a minute. You thought I was finished? Damn it, boy. Island Boy Clothing got me looking right, looking bright. I was home, I be getting freaky tonight. www.islandboyclothing.com. Well, I'm talking short sleeves, long sleeves, sweaters and hoodies, even something for shorty with the booty. Guaranteed to get you in, suspended green to get in between. Oh, mama, there goes that man. Let's go. We are in. Thank y'all for supervising. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for supervising. So we're back. to location number 1. So they sent me to number 2 when I first got here, because that's what was on the BOL. But the original dispatcher sent me here. You know, Landstar Connect sent me here. Paperwork sent me to warehouse 2. Warehouse 2 unloaded a little something. Now they say come back to warehouse 1. But we got it in there though. So now let's go and see what we can make out, man. Damn it. Let's see what we can make out. Yeah. Let's see this. So always remember when you do a chicken nugget load, always remember it's gonna always be the most complicated one. Cause cheap people always make life complicated, man. Always make life complicated. And so once we get unloaded, I think we're sitting on about 4 hours. We're gonna go ahead and dug it out to Cali, man. We're gonna go ahead and dug it out to Cali. And then, of course, what are we gonna get once we get there? I've seen potential of 2 loads when I look on the load board yesterday, right? But that's gonna be a whole different story now. But when I got on the load board yesterday, I saw potential of 2 loads. 1 going to Ohio, 1 going to Kentucky. And a 300-mile difference and a $1,200 difference. So 300-mile difference and a 1,200-mile difference. That's pretty much what it is. So we're gonna see which one we're gonna take. But first of all, let's handle this chicken nugget load. If they can come and get me, man, they just gotta cut it out. Look at them out there holding the whole conversation back there, damn it. Hold on, YouTube. We'll be right back.